Hello friends, welcome to this channel and in this video I will be guiding you to the complete and full detailed course of Python. This will be a series and you can just follow accordingly, and I will be putting videos once in a week. Okay, and I would really appreciate if you support me, and you can support me by subscribing to this channel. It is completely free, and you can like this video and share it to others. So please do not forget to do these steps. It is very easy, and after you subscribe, just click on the bell icon so you will get instant notifications of my new videos and updates. So let's get into the slideshow. Python full course. So first thing I would like to tell is why you should choose Python. We choose Python because it is the best programming language for beginners and very useful for AI. The code is much smaller, it is very easy. The sequence is easily understood by a person who did not have much of the programming history. And about 70% of the programmers today are using Python in their daily life. It has hundreds and thousands of libraries built in, and some are made by others, which are very useful. Like it shortens your code. For example, for plotting a graph, without writing thousands of hundreds of codes, you can write in just 5 to 10 lines of code. You can plot a graph. The use of a library called matplotlib, and it has mainly three very good GUIs, that is graphical user interface, and one of them we are going to cover is TK Inter, or Kinder you can call, and we'll be covering Python in a very detailed manner, and also will encourage doubts to be asked in the comment box. So without further ado, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it with others. So next part is with the installation of Python. We need to install Python separately to use it. It's not like JavaScript and all, which is already installed by the browser. We have to install it separately, like most other languages out there. And I am installing Python 3.7.9, which is an older version. Now the current version is, I think, 3.9.2. So why I'm doing this is my programs and all are already associated with 3.7.9. So I deleted Python for the for the need that I should show you how to install Python the correct way. So when I installed it, it got wrong. So I want to tell you how to install it in the correct way. You can install any version you want, that does not affect the course, but it should be Python 3. That is a must. If you install Python 2, it is very hard for you to follow this course, because those two are completely different topics. Now you can open any browser you want, your favorite browser. I'm opening Google Chrome, and in here you can type in Python download. Okay, or you can type in https / www.python.org/download/. Either way you will get the same result. Now you can see this web page. You have to come to here, and if you want you can click on download Python 3.9.2, and but I want 3.7.9, which is the one over here. So I'm going to click on that, and it will say a lot of things about this, and come down to files and click on Windows x86 64 executable installer. If it is 64 bit, then you can click on this. If it is 32-bit, then you can click on the second last one. So I think that is the one for 32-bit. And anyway, for 64-bit, this is one. This is the file that you should click on. So, and it will install it for you. Okay, so I have already installed one. You can see over here. So I don't want to install it again. So I'm just cancelling it. Now I'm going to go to my downloads folder and open that. Now here you can see the installer is here, and you can just click on that, and it should pop up right there. So you before clicking on install now, you have to click on add Python 3.9 or 3.7 to path. Now then you can click on install now and click on yes. Okay, it will be installing it, and when it's installed, I will again start the recording. So here you can see the setup was successful, and you can just click on close. Now, how do you use Python? So in order to type your code, you need an IDE. So the current IDE which is installed with Python is called IDLE. And you can just type in here in the start box and just click enter, and it will open up. There it is. So here is the IDLE shell. So actually the Python shell. So you can type in the command that I am typing in, print. Okay, just type in exactly as I type. Don't miss anything. Okay, don't miss anything. Just type exactly. So here I have typed print brackets, closing brackets, and quotes. Between inside the two quotes, I have typed hello Saurav. Now I am going to click enter. Yes, you can see hello Saurav is printed. It's shown on the screen like this. So that is the first command every person will learn in Python. So print hello world. You can type in anything inside this course, but the quotes and the brackets is compulsory. So you can type in hello world and click enter, it will show. So this is the first command that every Python programmer will learn. And we'll be getting onto variables and many other things in the future videos. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with others.